Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about while loop. While loop is also very popular looping statement in C programming language. So I have already written the code of while loop and I will show you and teach you how you can use while loop in your program. We are running on Eclipse IDE for C and C++ development. This is our while loop code where we have stdio.h included, main function. We have initialized one integer x and its value is 1, and this is our while keyword. In the expression, we have to give the checking expression, so it will check for that expression. If this expression is true, then the loop will execute. And if the statement or the expression is false, the loop will break. It is as simple as that. So we are checking x is less than 7. So while x is less than 7, this loop will execute. And inside our statements, we have printf, the value of x is equal to x. That means it will print the value of x. And then we have one post increment operator, which is a special type of operator that increases the value of the integer by 1. That means it is similar to x is equal to x plus 1. So it is printing the value of x and then increasing its value by 1. Then it will be checking this expression again. So if this is true, then it will execute the loop and check for this statement. So this is how our while loop works. Let's run it. It asks for the changes and we will save it. And as you can see, the value of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After printing 6, it has increased the value of x by 1. That means x is equal to 7 here. And then while it checks this expression, it is false because x is equal to 7 and is not less than 7. So it becomes false and the loop breaks. This is how the while loop works in C programming language. Thank you.